16 surprising things about our body which will surprise you. Thirst. We feel thirsty when water loss is equal to 1% of the body weight. If we lose more than 5%, we can faint, and extreme conditions can be caused from 10% loss. Brain. Brain uses only 20% of the total oxygen and blood in our body. It also occupies only 2% of your body weight. It stores 1 quadrillion bits of information and operates on the power of a 10-watt bulb. Human eye. The highest megapixels on a digital camera is 200 megapixels. If our eyesight were measured in megapixels, it would be 576 megapixels. DNA. If we uncoil our DNA, all our body cells would stretch to 10 billion miles. If we were to measure that distance, it would be enough for us to travel to Pluto and back. Skin. About 600,000 particles of skin every hour is shed by humans, which if measured is 4 kilograms of skin cells every year. Significance of wisdom tooth. Wisdom tooth don't serve any purpose. They are left over from hundreds of thousands of years ago. As humans' brains grew bigger, it reduced space in the mouth, crowding out this third set of molars. A factory of essentials. Our body has enough iron to make a nail that is 3 inches long, enough sulfur to destroy the average fleas on a dog. Sufficient carbon to make 900 pencils, enough potassium to fire a toy cannon, more than enough fat to make 7 bars of soap, while huge phosphorus to make 2,200 match heads, and sufficient water to fill a 10-gallon tank. Nose. On an average, a human being can distinguish between 1 trillion different smells, which is more acute than the eye, which can distinguish between 10 million different colors. Ears. Our ears never stop growing. Our earlobes will also elongate from gravity over time. Our hearing is the fastest human sense, while our brain can recognize sound 10 times faster than the blink of an eye. Mouth. The mouth produces 25,000 quarts saliva on an average, which is enough to fill 2 swimming pools. It also produces 1 liter mucus per day. Chin up. Since humans are the only animals with chins, bacteria. We have around 4 pounds of bacteria living in our body. There are more bacteria in our mouth than there are people in the world. Kidneys, how much do we need? Human beings have 2 kidneys, of which only 1 is essential for living. Cracking sound of the knuckles. The satisfying sound of cracking our knuckles comes from gas bubbles which burst in our joints. Heartbeat and adrenaline. The average heart beats for more than 3 billion times in a lifetime. Blushing is caused by a rush of adrenaline. Are we all identical? On a genetic level, almost 99% of human beings are identical.